Hi, I'm Dave, welcome to the channel and welcome to What's in a Box Wednesday, episode 30. So here we are, here's the box. Now obviously after the weekend when I had to put some different wheels on the back of this car, I said I was just going to order some new wheels, replace all four and run it with NSR wheels and probably tyres. So I went on the Pendle website and I've ordered 4 wheels and 4 tyres, which is obviously what's in this box. And quite a lot of packing, I would think. Yeah, that's what it is. Wheels, tyres and some packing. Oh. Ah, there we are, look. Wheels, tyres and some packing. There's quite a lot of packing in here. There's quite a lot of packing. Oh, there's another box in here. Not sweets though, but never mind. So, yeah, it looks like, I think what happened was, and I don't know if this happens to you guys, but I was shopping on Pendle's website and by the time I got to the checkout, I think something had jumped off the virtual shelf and fallen into my shopping cart all by itself somehow. I was talking to Lee Slotcast and he said the same thing happens to him. And funnily enough, I was talking to Mrs. Slotter and she said the same thing happens to her when she's on Amazon. Which is handy. So, probably quite predictably, not that I'm a collector or anything. And there is the Carrera VW bus ambulance, which looks like quite a lot of fun. The driver still looks well hench though. It's very odd that. But yes, excellent. So, like I say, just some wheels and tyres and some packing. As always, thanks for watching one of my videos. If you liked it, you will find a button specifically for that. Please subscribe to the channel, it really does help and it's free. And if you press the bell, you'll get a notification the next time I post a video. And as always, check out this slot car channel.